to the most wonderful woman I know. Thank you for consistently bringing out the best in best in me. I am beyond lucky to have fall in love with my best friend. I love you, darling. Thank you for loving me and letting me love you. It and you just when I think it's impossible to love you more than I already do. Share these with your one and only on their birthday, on your anniversary, or on a random Wednesday. Just because no matter the occasion, their message can help you say, I love you in the most romantic way. Trust us, once, once they read these sentimental words, they are all instantly be reminded of why they feel in love with you in the first place. Saying, I love you is always nice, but there are plenty of other sweet and romantic ways to say I love you to your partner too. This big list of love message for him or her is jam packed with loving message and text ideas that will make your significant other swoon. I love to look into your eyes, they reflect my happiness. The hardest thing for me in life is to live without my wife. I am not a romantic man, but I am deeply in love with you, and I want to show how happy I am until the end of time. When I close my eyes, I feel you. I can see your face. I can't stop thinking about you. For a single second, you have taken control of everything. No one can admire you as much as I do. I think my fondness for you is strong enough to survive the Arctic cold and tropical heat. Any relationship could come across deep love message for here. I am proud of you, our team. We only have two people, you and me, but our devotion makes it fantastic squad that can fight with darkness and turn on the light of positive emotions. And only person I love you more than the moon loves the ocean. You are my favorite place to go to when my mind searches for peace. There are only two times that I want to be with you now and forever. Once both I wish to be right now is in bed with my head on your lap. As we guessed, nothing beats the feeling I get from spending my time with you because you are my everything. I will put a smile on that face because you are prettier with a glowing smile. I will make you my queen because nobody deserves that position other than you. With my whole heart, I will love you forever. The journey do- doesn't get comfortable, but you have been with me since the first day. I don't lie. for myself any longer because you are the best thing in my life.